Hi folks, I'm Professor Joe. I'm a professor for automation and measurement technology in the University of Applied Sciences in the very south of Bavaria. The idea is to have a video series accompanied with an AI tutor about the basics of measurement technology. This means it's not my goal to explain you everything in detail, but to give you an overview, to answer questions, to answer your questions. So feel free to comment or to ask any question within the lecture or within the comments of this video. Moreover, I'm going to give you some more context, some more stories about that measurement technology and the very core topics of the basic stuff you need to know about measurement technology, but not more. The rest will be taught to you by that AI tutor. So let's have a look at that tutor in more detail. The idea is quite simple. You get into that GPT I prepared for you. It contains all of my scripts and all the information it needs to do. So you can simply ask it, can you explain the script content of chapter 1 to me? Now it'll start off right away, going through the sub-chapters, the sub-parts and everything, explaining to you what the contents of that lecture will be. The nice thing is the GPTs know a lot more than I could know about all the specific stuff, and you can feel free to ask anything you want to. So for example, when there's some topic you are very interested in, or there's some topic you didn't understand probably right away, you can just ask the system, the GPT, give me some details about basic units. And it will head off to give you some more explanations about the base units. That's some stuff which is a core part of the lecture, and so I'll somehow reproduce that within the videos, but as I said, not going into some details about specific things, but giving a rough overview, a rough view into the core concepts you need to know. Moreover, whenever you are trained enough, you feel trained enough, you feel you have learned enough, you can just use the tutor also to get you some training. Give me some training exercise about basic units. It has some exercises I prepared. So what you get are somewhat sensible exercises, partly from the knowledge base, the exercises I gave to the system. Altogether, that's an awesome way to get into measurement technology in a very individual way. I don't waste my time explaining over and over again the same stuff about basic units, for example. I just explain you the core concept, the things I think are important, and I add the stuff you are asking for. Moreover, the chapters, I think, will be parted into 2 to 3 parts corresponding to the very core concepts and the content of each chapter, giving you the best results in learning and getting into the stuff. When you're into it, just subscribe right away so you get all the videos, the question videos and whatever there will come up, and enjoy your intro into basics of measurement technology.